How to remove account in Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can remove account in Facebook, so make sure to stick with me till the end. Now you might be logged into Facebook for some reasons, and there could be many accounts saved, because what happens is that whenever you log into Facebook to some of the other accounts, it will save the details automatically from Facebook or Meta themselves. So if you would like to remove those accounts from the Facebook app, when you are on the login page, you don't want to select a certain account that you want to log in. What you want to do is to tap the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and when you tap the gear icon from the top right, you will find a list of accounts that is actually saved on your Facebook app, where you can then select a certain profile you would like to remove, then tap the remove profile option to remove it, and that account will be removed from Facebook. This way you can go ahead and then actually remove account in Facebook. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.